Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're gonna do on this episode is simply go over our rewards update. That's going to be for the DEGA 1 ISPO for the Cardano blockchain. And we're also going to get into what DEGA's been up to. So a little bit of news. On top of that, of course, for some of you, perhaps you've already begun to participate. We're going to go over their latest ISPO. Okay, so this is a multi-chain, the first multi-chain ISPO, and so happy to see you all here with me. Also, if you like this video, smash that like button. So we got the like button and subscribe. Some of you are viewers, but you don't subscribe. So that would be nice. I would really appreciate that. And let's dive right in. Right here, we are on DEGA.org. So we've done tons of content right here on the channel going over DEGA. So they are a scalable infrastructure and fast transactions for Web3 gaming and metaverse. So it's right there on their website. Basically, they are partnering with gaming and metaverse projects. They're helping them out with the UI, the user interface. So you could imagine that a lot of crypto gaming in projects, it entails for the user. So that would be somebody who's, first coming onto the game, or perhaps somebody who's already been in the gaming space. They want to get into a crypto or metaverse project, but they don't know about private keys, public addresses, and they don't know how to set things up. That's where DEGA comes in, and they help them out a little bit. So they've got the technology, and you know what? They're doing a really good job, and I think there's a lot of potential going forward. So that's what we're going to dive into, a little bit of the rewards, and we've gone through it quite a bit. So first things first, you want to be on DEGA.org. I should have a link in the description below for you. And what you're going to do is go to rewards dashboard, okay? And once you're in the rewards dashboard, the next thing you're going to do, and this has changed a little bit, you're going to see Cardano or Polkadot. So we're going to go to Cardano, and we'll get into Polkadot in just a second here. And you're going to paste your stake key. So if you don't know how that works, basically what you're going to do is find your stake key in your wallet. It's not your public address, but what you can do for Cardano is you can copy your public address, paste it in Cardano scan, and you can find your stake address. So that's going to be your stake key. That's what you use for this process right here. So if we take a look here, I've got 4 different wallets, and let's just add it up. Let me get the calculator app. It seems to be kind of nice when I do that. So I kind of like adding things up every now and again. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up what we have. Here I've got a wallet with 3,000 approximately, 97, 14,800, 97, 792. So if we take a look here, this is one of my wallets. So this is Red Cape. So if you're looking to find my wallet, perhaps find out what I'm up to, you can follow Ty.Ada or Red Cape. I own quite a few handles as well. So again, DEGA.org. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go and paste your stake address. Okay, so your stake key. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to start off from the bottom. So we've got accumulated. Let's do an exact number. Let's get it pretty close. So we got 3,989 plus, what is that, 134. We're going to get it pretty close. Plus 16,912 plus 128 plus 523. So we've got 21,686. So almost 22,000 DEGA. Comment down below. How many DEGA have you already accumulated? So one thing to keep in mind is that I also hold Kopi. So I believe you need, I always forget this, but you need 1,600 Kopi or 3,500 melt. If you have that, because of the partnership they have with those projects, then you can earn an extra 5%. And I always tell you all, the best thing you can do is to simply delegate and just hold. That's where you're going to get those beautiful bonus rewards. And it's, in my opinion, the easiest way to go about it. If you want more content on DEGA, go to my channel, subscribe, of course. And then it's very important, go to the search bar, type in DEGA, hit enter, and you get all this content. This is the video you want to watch. The DEGA multi-chain ISPO Delegate Now. This video, I put a lot of time and effort in creating. Some of you have already had a lot of success. I see the comments, and that's what this channel is all about. I like earning rewards, but even better, this channel is built for newcomers to get into crypto and for myself to provide some value, okay? So very nice to see. It looks like we're at almost 22,000 in rewards here. So I'm gonna close this. There's some of my videos. Don't need that popping up all the time. So that's awesome. Got about 21,000. Now, what we're gonna get into is DEGA's latest ISPO. It's already here, and that's going to be with Polygon, or sorry, that's going to be with Polkadot. That is DOT. So we're gonna get into that a little bit in this video. Comment down below. Personally, I am not going to delegate in this ISPO. I'm going to keep delegating, and I'm gonna be in there, you know, all the way through. So the moose is getting loose. But what I'm getting at is you do not have to participate in everything. Not to say that the DOT or Polkadot isn't a good idea. It's just that, you know, I only have enough funds to participate in what I can. So I thought about getting some DOT, you know, delegating. I could easily do it. I have enough money to do it. But again, you want to make a list. What can you actually get into? Don't overextend yourself. You don't have to overcomplicate everything. So that's my point there. So if we go to DOT, we have a lot of banger videos coming out, especially this week. Absolute banger videos coming out. So comment down below if you're excited. We're going to be doing, I believe, some altcoin 100x potential. So it's going to be a fun video. Not financial advice. Nothing on this channel is financial advice, just speculation, and of course educational. So DOT, parachains, you've got, I believe it's Gavin Wood, and yeah, this is a good project. And I believe they're layer 0, so they're helping out with the interoperability with the crypto space, and well, DEGA has a partnership with them. So if we go over here, we can click on Polkadot, and even better yet, might as well do this. If you go to the website, you can now go under DEGA ISPO Polkadot and get even more information. So I recommend, if you do hold Polkadot, for sure DEGA is a great ISPO. So if you're watching this video should help you out a little bit. So it looks like it starts Thursday, September 7th. That is today. And again, I'm not participating, but that's because I don't have a lot of DOT and I have other focuses elsewhere. So it is the DEGA ISPO. That's the validator name. So make sure you're participating in the correct one. Here's the validator address and the rewards dashboard. So you can click on rewards dashboard, but first go to participate. And this gives you a nice step-by-step. So I like that DEGA did a nice little screenshot here. That's very nice. So again, DEGA is awesome. I really like what they're doing, and I follow them quite a bit. If I didn't believe in what DEGA is doing, I wouldn't even be doing this video. So go to rewards dashboard. Okay, so this is after you've been staking. It's probably going to take a couple of epochs for you to begin to see your rewards. So I'm obviously only delegating to the Cardano. So my live stake, this is based on Cardano, right? So what else do we have here? Actually, if I hit this drop down, 60,000. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a nice deeper dive on this as well. So anyways, this is where you're going to get all of your information. Other than that, I don't have too much else to share at this point in time. It looks like a lot of information has yet to have been updated. So what we're going to do right now is just go to Twitter real quick. And if you want to learn more and keep up to date specifically with crypto and NFT projects, you simply want to go to Twitter. You have to get in the Twitter, get in the Discord. So I'm in the Discord as well. So this is DEGA's Twitter. And as you can see, DEGA multi-chain ISPO Polkadot launch. So all the information is right here. I recommend clicking on this and then going through all of the information. So for example, they've got the start date, they've got the runtime. And again, I'm not super familiar with Polkadot. I know a little bit about the project, but I do not usually, I've never staked DOT except for on the crypto.com app. So comment down below if you are participating. That would be really cool. I know DOT is a serious project and it's nice to see those partnerships. So that being said, we've gone through everything. It's been just over 10 minutes. I want to keep this short and sweet. Thank you all so much for participating, watching this video. We've got so much more to cover this week. And so we have a video Friday as well. This video is going to be up late tonight. So Thursday, Friday, and then from Monday on, we have some cool videos. We got some great content. Definitely some huge picks for you guys. We're going to be doing some 100x altcoins. I know you all love to see that. Also, if you guys want, it's in the description in this video, but check out our Cardano mini course, specifically if you are looking to educate yourself further in the space. I build a ton of online courses through video production, photo, video design. I help people produce AI courses as well around the world. So that's my specialty. I've been doing video production for a while, but I built a Cardano mini course. I teach it myself right here. So a very similar setup, a very straightforward process, but you get access to a workbook and you get downloadable files. So with that being said, everybody, the moose is loose. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey, and we'll see you all in the next one. And also remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your cheese.